Hello, my dear parents and teachers. Contents in this LKG English book. What does a best kid do? Manners related. Page number 3. Practicing small and capital letters of A, B, C, D. 4 to 7. A, B, C, D from C. How to form the letters from C? Page number 8. Match the letters and sounds of A, B, C, D. 9 to 10. Jock and Jill rhyme. 11th page. Practicing E, F, G, H, small and capital letters. 12 to 15. E, F, G, H, small letters formation. 16th page. A small boy story. 17th page. Match the letters and sounds of E, F, G, H. 18, 19. Practicing small and capital letters. I, J, K, L. 20 to 23. I, J, K, L formation with simple form. 24th page. Match the letters and sounds of I, J, K, L. 25 and 26th page. 25th and 26th pages. My red balloon rhyme. 27th page. Practicing MNOP, capital and small letters. 28th to 31st page. MNOP, small letters formation. 32nd page. Match the letters and sounds of MNOP. 33rd and 34th pages. Pig mud story. 35th page. Practicing QRSTU, capital and small letters. 36th to 40th page. QRSTU formation in a simple way. 41st page. Match the letters and sounds of QRSTU. 42nd to 43rd page. Butterfly rhyme. 44th page. Practicing VWXYZ, capital and small letters. 45th to 49th pages. VWXYZ, simple formation. 50th page. Match the letters and sounds of VWXYZ. 51st to 52nd pages.